In this video, you'll learn how to split a page in Notion. This process allows you to organize your content more effectively by creating multiple sections within a single page. Follow these steps to achieve a clean and structured layout. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the site loads, you will see the Notion homepage. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials to access your workspace. After signing in, locate the option to create a new page. This can typically be found in the left sidebar, where you will see a button labeled Add a New Page. Click this button and a blank page will open ready for you to customize. Next, you will need to give your new page a title. Click on the area at the top of the page that says Untitled. A text cursor will appear, allowing you to type in your desired title. This helps you identify the purpose of the page later on. Once you have titled your page, click on any blank space within the page. This will allow you to start adding content. You can type in any information or notes you want to include. Consider the layout you want to achieve as you add content. After entering your content, look for the 6 dots icon that appears to the left of the block you've just created. This icon represents the block menu. Click on these 6 dots to reveal additional options for that content block. Now, hold down on the 6 dots icon and drag it to the side of the page. This action will create a split layout, allowing the content to move to a new column. You will notice that the page automatically adjusts to accommodate the new layout. Next, you can click on the first page to highlight it. This will allow you to interact with it further or add more content as needed. Ensure you are comfortable with the current layout before proceeding to the next step. Finally, click on the second page you created. You can now add more content to this section as well. This method of splitting pages helps to enhance organization and visual appeal within your Notion workspace. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.